Namaste friends, welcome back to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very novel wraparound stitch. This stitch, though it is looking simple, it is made with 4 DC clusters worked in a different way. When we work, I shall explain how it is done. For this particular pattern, we require a multiple of 3 plus 1 as the foundation chains. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. This particular piece I worked with claret red hobby store Aran 100% premium acrylic yarn with color code 2044. Okay, I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 5 repeats of 3 plus 1 16 chains. To begin with, make a double in the 4th chain from the hook, 1 2 3, and in the 4th chain make a double. To begin the wraparound stitches, chain 3 incomplete DCs around the post of this DC, and the 4th one in the 3rd from this stitch, 3rd chain from this chain. That is, skip 2, and in the next you are going to make the 4th incomplete DC and complete the 4 DC cluster. So the first incomplete DC1, incomplete DC2, incomplete double 3, skip 2 chains, the 4th incomplete double in the next, and complete the 4 DC cluster wraparound stitch, chain 3, again 4 DC wraparound cluster stitch, 1 2 3 around the post of the DC, skip 2 chains, and the 4th one in the next, and complete the wraparound cluster stitch, chain 3. So this is the repeat. 3 incomplete, you have to skip 2 chains, and the 4th one you have to do in the next. 3 incomplete DCs around the post of this DC here, and then the 4th one in the 3rd chain from this particular chain, and complete the wraparound DC cluster, chain 3, and continue. I shall also continue and meet you at the end of this row. I have placed my last stitch here. So chain 1. Now for row 2, either chain 4 and turn, or make a DC in the very first stitch and chain 1, DC in the chain 3 loop. Now you are going to make the wraparound 4 DC wraparound cluster, chain 3, incomplete double 1, incomplete double 2, incomplete double 3 over the post of the DC made, and the fourth one in the next chain space, chain 3 space, and complete the wraparound 4 DC cluster, chain 3, again 4 DC wraparound cluster, 3 over the post of the DC just made, and the 4th one in the next chain 3 space. This 4th one is going to become the base for the next wraparound, chain 3, chain 3, and here you're going to place the fourth one in the last stitch. Chain 1 and close. So this is a 1 row pattern. Repeat again for the next row, chain 4 and turn, or DC chain 1 and make the wraparound 4 DC clusters. Continue, repeat the instructions for pattern 2 for the entire length of your project. When you repeat for a few rows, your pattern will look like this, and this is a reversible pattern. Both the sides look the same. It's a beautiful pattern which gives a filling effect also, and it makes your fabric stretchable, and it's a good pattern for any wearable, blankets, stoles, shawls, wraparounds, and so on. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this small video on wraparound stitch with a difference. It's a wraparound cluster. I request you to subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and please click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.